Hi guys, what's good? I'm Maahek Nair and that is Praveen Nair, and a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. Today we are doing a healthy, easy pudding for you. So it's going to be yummy, tasty, chilled, cold.
Alright, so it's high in antioxidants, which means that it's going to keep you really healthy and it's great for your heart health. It's time to see the recipe and let's go now.
1 cup chia seed, 1 glass coconut milk. Now in the coconut milk, we are going to add the chia seed to it. And mix it well. And after about an hour or two, the chia seeds will swell up and come up like this. Option, you can add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup if you're a vegan. Second, if you're following a ketogenic diet, you can add stevia to it if you want a little more taste. But I have kept it plain without any sugar, any artificial sweetener. So I'm going to add this up here. And next I have some kiwi with me. You can also take any other seasonal fruit, whatever you have, which is low in glycemic index. So I've taken kiwi, split this up. And I'm going to add this to my chia pudding. Lastly, I'm going to drizzle the same with some cinnamon powder. And my kiwi chia pudding is ready. So a healthy chia kiwi pudding is ready. It's a perfect post-workout meal or a post-workout snack because it's easy to carry, it's quick to make, and it's loaded with nutrients.
That sounds amazing. So being said that, you want to make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell icon, and please do share the channel with your friends and family. Till we see you in the next video, take care.
Thank you.
Thank you.